Okay. So subtracting like fractions. Subtracting like fractions, sorry. Alright. So we've already gone over how we're going to add like fractions. We're going to do the same exact thing now, only we're going to subtract. Okay? So we're going to keep our denominators the same, just like we did here. We're going to, instead of adding our numerators, we're going to subtract them. And then we are going to reduce. Give me 2 minutes. Okay? So here's our first example. We're going to find about 7/10 of Earth's surface is covered by oceans. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean and covers 3/10 of Earth's surface. How much of Earth's surface is covered by oceans other than the Pacific Ocean? So one way we're going to do this is by modeling. So we have 7/10, right? This is our total. This is our total. And we're going to take this number away from our total. So we have 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 1/10 blocks. That's 7/10. Okay? We're going to take 3/10 of those away. So here's 1, 2, 3. So how many tiles are left? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, which represents 4/10. We have to reduce 4/10. They already did it for us. It came out to 2/5. How did they reduce it? 2 over 2. So 4/10 divided by 2 over 2 equals 2/5. So how much of Earth's surface is covered by oceans other than the Pacific Ocean? 2/5. Okay? Now, this is the modeling again. So that's showing you why it works. The way we're going to do our math homework tonight is right over here. Okay? We're going to subtract the numerators, keep the denominators. So our denominator's 10. We move 10 over. We have 7 subtract 3. 7 subtract 3 equals 4, which is right here. Okay? So now we have 4/10. We want it in simplest form. We already said over here. We divide it by 2 over 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay? Very, very similar to adding fractions with like denominators. The back flashing needs to settle down. So, second example. It says the table shows the amount of rainfall several cities received in a recent month. How much more rain did Centerville receive than Brushton? Write in simplest form. So we're going to subtract the numerators, keep the denominators the same. So first thing we need to identify is where Centerville is, which is right here, and where Brushton is, which is right here. So we have Centerville's 9/10 and Brushton's 3/10. Okay? Our denominators are 10, we move it over. We're going to subtract 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 right here. So 9 subtract 3 is? 6. They did it right for us there. Okay? Now we have 6/10. Okay? So can 6/10 be reduced? How?
2 over 2. 10. 2 over 2.
2 over 2. 6 divided by 2 is? 3. 10 divided by 2? So 3/5 an inch more rain fell in where? 3/5 inch more rain fell in where? Centerville. Then Brushton. Okay, one of the things that I've noticed that we do when we do word problems, for some reason you guys just want to put the number. In a word problem, the number is not the complete answer. Okay? We need to make sure we write the complete answer so we know what we're talking about. All right. Some guided practice problems. Okay? You're going to subtract and write each in simplest form, just like we're doing with the addition. Okay? Our denominator stays the same, 7 and 7, so that's 7. 5 subtract 3 is 2. Can we reduce 2 sevenths?
No.
Okay, so it stays. 5s, they stay the same. 3 subtract 2 is? 3 subtract 2 is?
1.
1. Can we reduce 1/5? No. Denominators are 9. 9 stays. 6 subtract 3 is?
2.
6 minus 3?
3.
3. Can we reduce 3/9?
Yes.
What can we divide it by to reduce it?
3.
Thank you. 3 over 3. So 3 divided by 3 is?
1.
9 divided by 3 is? So there's your answers. Okay?
Okay.
You guys have about 5 more minutes to work on your homework. Quietly.